In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself working late into the night or just prefer a darker screen to ease eye strain, then switching your Google Docs to dark mode might be the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through this straightforward process. To begin, ensure you have the Google Docs dark mode extension installed in your browser. Once you've got that set up, you should notice a new sun icon conveniently located on the side of your document. This little sun icon is your gateway to dark mode. All you need to do is click on it. This action is the key to transforming your plain white document into a sleek dark interface, reducing the glare and making your screen more comfortable to read. Now, once you click the sun icon, you'll immediately notice that your document transitions into a dark theme. This changes the background to a dark color while maintaining the white color of your text. This combination is designed to minimize eye strain, especially in low-light environments, while still ensuring that the words stand out clearly so you can continue working without any disruption. But let's say you finish your work late at night and return to it the next morning when the daylight is pouring in and you prefer the original bright view. It's just as easy to revert back to the default mode. In place of the sun icon, you'll now see a moon icon. Simply click on this moon icon, and your document will instantly switch back to the traditional light mode. It's a seamless toggle between two modes, granting you the flexibility to choose what suits your environmental lighting and personal preference best. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip to enhance your experience further. If you're someone who works across different devices or browsers, make sure that any browser or device you're using also supports the dark mode extension. This consistency ensures a uniform experience regardless of where or how you're accessing Google Docs. Additionally, some people find that using dark mode helped reduce instances of dry eyes and light sensitivity from prolonged screen time, so it might be worth experimenting to see what works best for you. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to enable and switch between dark and light modes in Google Docs with just a click. No more straining your eyes, just a comfortable reading and writing experience tailored to your needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Until next time, keep creating.